Hey everybody, in my excitement, I realized I forgot to tell you how do you distribute the survey and get the data. So if you click on send, right, you actually can then go here and look, right? So what I did was it had send, cancel to show you again what I did. I clicked on send. You can email it to yourself. It'll send the link to you. But if you want to, here where it says send via, you can just click on link, and there's your link, and you can post that on Twitter or Facebook or whatever, or email it to your friends, whatever you're doing, and that's how you have that link. So that's how you share it. Now, about the data. So I took the survey. I sent the survey to myself, and I answered once, and all I did was, I'll show you, I click on responses, is I said, are you taking an online class? No. And so that, of course, ended the entire, right, nothing else was responded to there. So I would not be a valid response. But anyway, so here are all the data, and we are still accepting responses. If you turn that off, nobody can answer anymore, so don't do that. All right, so here are all the data, but this is just a summary, and if you just have pies and bar charts, it's not going to do anything for you. So we can look at where it says individual, we can look at that and see how people respond to things individually, right? We can do that. But more importantly, over here on summary though, see this little thing right here, the green plus, it's going to say create spreadsheet. So we're going to create a new spreadsheet called, and it's automatically saying online lecture survey responses. And I'm going to just say create, right? So the spreadsheet, I can click here to open it, but just to show you sort of what it looks like in the future, right? If we were to go out of here and go back to the forms home, here I am, everything's in forms, right? And there's the survey we created. Click on this, right? Show you what I did again in case you missed it. Those bars, the menu there, I clicked on it. Docs, sheets. Sheets are like Excel sheets. So we're going to click on that. And you'll see some data from other projects I've had where I've used these online surveys, but there it is, online lecture responses. And you see every single question in the columns is every single question, and then I know what their answers are. But if I had gone to complete the survey, you get a series of numbers here, and that's what you'd actually use for your data analysis. Okay, and if you want, you could copy this and drop it into Excel worksheets, which is what you'll need to do later, because then it's a bit easier to work with. But this is where all the beautiful data will be collected, and so you'll need to, see, for me in this first column, because I have to know whether or not they're valid responses, I'll just be interested in the yeses, but we'll take care of that later. But that's how you find it, and that's where your data goes to. So I realized I need to show that to you, and I hope that's very helpful.